Alright everybody, welcome to the channel. I decided to do a McDonald's weight loss challenge because I heard that you can lose weight by eating McDonald's. So I am going to try it out for myself. See how much weight we can lose while eating some McDonald's. So this challenge is going to consist of eating a Big Mac meal, which is the large Coke, regular Coke, Big Mac, and large fries. Probably put some ketchup in there. Can you give me the ketchup? I'm so sorry to bother you.
Yeah.
Can you give me the ketchup? And so, okay, the Big Mac meal, according to ChatGPT, is around 1,300 and something calories per meal. A grown-ass man like myself needs approximately 2,000 and something calories to maintain his body weight. My wife's distracting me. She bought some new shorts. She wants me to comment on them, but comment on them? Wow, I messed up. They look nice. They look nice, by the way. She doesn't want to do those clothing haul videos, so I'm not going to put her on this video. Anyways, so I need approximately 2,000 something calories to maintain my weight. Big Mac meal is only 1,300, 1,400 calories, maybe a little bit more with the ketchup. So, according to ChatGPT, I can lose about 2 pounds in 7 days. Now, my goal is to lose 1 pound. Today I weighed in at approximately 224 pounds. I'll put the weight, I'll put the scale, the weigh-in at the end of the video. That way you don't see my my ugly ass feet at the beginning of the video. Make sure you turn the video off before we put the scale at the end. So I was around 224 today. Now, that is not my true weight. This is going to be a fun challenge. That is delicious. Sorry, I'm scraping it off my fingers. You can judge me if you want to, I don't care. It's delicious. So I weigh 224 today. However, I recently had a few cheat meals, so that's kind of like your body retaining salt, sodium, and retaining water weight. That's not my true weight. My true weight is around 213.9 pounds. So my goal to lose a pound is to get down to 212.9 pounds. So my goal for this challenge is to get to 212.9 pounds. So that's assuming my true weight right now is around 213. So what that means is that yes, I've gained about 10 pounds of water weight from all the junk foods that I've eaten in the last 2 days prior to this challenge. So knowing my body, tomorrow morning when I weigh in, I'll probably weigh around 220 pounds. Like I'll drop like 3 pounds of water instantly by tomorrow. Today is what, June 17th? So I'm not gonna post these today. Oh, I'll post these a few days after. So yeah, so I'll weigh myself every morning. I'm going on a road trip in about 6 days, so I literally need to lose that pound before day number 6, because day number 6 I'm gonna be on a road trip. I'm not gonna be eating McDonald's on a road trip. This thing is really good. Let's see if I can zoom in on this for you guys. I hate that I have to like manually mess with my camera in order to get this thing to come on. Let's see that. Let's take a look at it right there. So McDonald's USA, obviously 2 thin pieces of meat, some cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun, like the song goes. So I've seen videos of people going to McDonald's, losing weight. The guy ate 25,000 Big Macs. He ate a Big Mac every single day. I know a little bit more about health than to eat McDonald's every day for the rest of my life, but I figure I've been losing weight lately. I've been losing about a pound a week. I figured, why not make this pound a little bit more fun? So that's why I decided to give myself a McDonald's challenge. So we're gonna have fun these next few days. I better lose a pound. If I don't lose a pound, I'm gonna be so mad if this backfires on me. But I think I know what I'm doing. This will be my only meal for the day. So good. So good. Whatever you guys feel about McDonald's, I really admire them as a company. Stock price today is at $253.68. Let's see what they've done so far. McDonald's in 2024, up to right now, June, they're down almost 15% this year. Not a good year for McDonald's so far. And I wonder why that is. Past 5 years, they're up 24%. But I mean, compare that to the S&P 500 ETF, which is up like 87%. So we haven't done as well. So delicious. And I'm filling too. This thing fills me up. So just a reminder, guys, I'm 223, 224 today. That's not my true weight. So I'm trying to get down to 212.9. If I get down to 212.9, I accomplish my goal. Remember, I'm heavy because of the water weight, because of eating a bunch of junk food prior to this. So for me, losing a pound would be from getting to 213 down to 212. So yeah, the total weight when you look at the scale, it'd be like 11 pounds. But true, actual body fat that I'm gonna lose is gonna be about a pound. So cross my fingers. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, well, at least I ate delicious food. I normally just eat chicken and rice when I'm not on a cheat meal day. Like all the videos you see are basically my cheat meal days. No, spill the fry. I need that. I need that calorie. I need these 50 calories that this little fry has. See if I can zoom in on these fries. They're so salty. If you can see that. These fries are so salty. Come on, focus on it. There you go. These fries are so salty. I like it. All right. Focus back on me. If you're in another part of the world, shout outs to you. Wherever you're at. Send my love, send my respect. They probably do have a McDonald's in your country. You may or may not eat it. So good. Well, while I'm at it, McDonald's is at $253. Let's look up Coca-Cola and Heinz ketchup. All right, Coca-Cola, stock price today, $62.56. So far this year, they're up 6% compared to the S&P 500, which is up like 15%. Wow. Over the last 5 years, Coca-Cola has gained 23%. Not bad. Don't ever get your financial advice from some guy eating food on YouTube. Don't make me go testify in front of Congress. Like when they call Zuckerberg to go testify. Oh, Johnny made you eat McDonald's. Don't do it. Oh, that's good. I guess I should eat the lettuce, everything. Every single part of this should be eaten. Probably should finish the soda too. Kraft Heinz Company, makers of your ketchup, $32.85. So far this year, they're down 11%. We said McDonald's is down. Heinz ketchup is down. Coca-Cola is slightly up, right? I think we said. So this particular combination of McDonald's, Kraft Heinz ketchup, and Coca-Cola is not doing as good this year. Now, there's a lot of talk on the news that prices are up in the economy, especially for fast food. And so consumers, you and me, are choosing not to buy as much McDonald's. So that would affect sales of Coca-Cola. That would affect sales of Kraft Heinz. So yeah. can't wait for me to finish the video. She needs to show her her new clothes right now. Well, that's gonna do it. Like, this is day one of probably 5 days. Hopefully, no more than 5. Goal for tomorrow is around 220 pounds. We'll see. I'm thinking that's where we're gonna get to. But thank you guys for joining me, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.
It take too long.
I'm still recording. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right.